This will be a tutorial on how to create a new company profile after you've made your purchase in the Outdoor Ed store. So I'm logged in, and in order to get to this page, if I click on My Account and the drop down and I click on Company Portal, that will take me to this Company Portal page where I can manage companies, jobs, and trainings based on the level of company profile I've purchased. In this case, you can see I do not have an active company profile, so I need to create one. So if I go ahead and click on the Create a Company Profile button. So for each company profile I've purchased, I'm allowed to create one subscription. And when I made my purchase, a license was generated for me. So what I need to do is first select that license. So that's what will actually activate my purchase. So now I'm going to go ahead and enter company name. Summary is really useful because in certain cases, when we want to create a smaller paragraph of text, we will pull from the summary if you've typed something into that summary. So that gives you just a few lines to describe your company, which might be different than the full description you put further down. So it's always useful to go ahead and enter just a summary about your company. Now I'm going to go ahead and enter the description of my company, the full description. And again, using the text editor, I can do a variety of formatting for my company profile. I won't go into that. This is pretty standard from what you're used to using on most websites. So that's the description that I'm going to enter. Now I want to go ahead and enter the address. And if I choose to enter a phone, I can enter a phone and a fax, company email, and then I need to enter my website. So in terms of the website, I want to put a title in because that will be what's shown on the section where the website is rather than sending the link. So I'll just go ahead and put OutdoorEd.com and a contact person. These fields are optional. Contact email if you wish to do that. These email addresses are actually obscured on the actual page display, so they're obfuscated so that trawling programs can't read them, but they will be visible to particular individuals. Now we're going to go ahead and add our company logo. So if I click Browse, I can go ahead and click just a particular file on my computer. And now I need to click the Upload button here. That uploads the logo. It's always good to put alternate text here. This is useful for screen readers. Next part is if I choose, I can add a YouTube or Vimeo video about the company. So if I click Browse, here I'm just going to paste in the YouTube address for the video. Click Next. And you can see it's populated that. We want to leave this Include File and Display. That means that the video will display. And it's always good to add a little description of what your video is about. Now I can attach various other images. So these would be remote images from your site. So if I click Browse and go to the web, I'm just going to enter particular image that's up on the web. And always give it an alt text. Title text is optional, but I can enter that as well if I choose. So you can see that's loaded there. Now there's a variety of different categories that you can enter that will help in people searching for your company. So the first is the type of company. You profit, nonprofit. So I'm going to select profit. I'm going to select the region that we operate in. Can select multiple regions in here. Global, international. The company itself is in the Mid-Atlantic U.S. Now we can go to categories and select what categories, and again you can multiple select within here. So we'll list a few. Population, same thing. You can select different populations, as many as you choose that are applicable to you. Activity. So if you want to list your program activities, all of these are searchable. If you have a facility, in our case we're an internet company, so we don't have a physical facility, you can list information about the types of things you have on your facility, and again, that's all searchable. If you're a school, you can list grade level. In this case, I'm going to leave it as none. If you are a school, you can also add fields of study. So, for example, if you're a college or university, you can go ahead and select the type of degree levels that you offer, and you can start entering multiple of these. So if I enter one in here, I can go ahead and enter a variety of things in there. So at this point, I've completed all the things that I want to do at this point, so I'm going to go ahead and click Save. You can see the new company profile has been created. We're back at the company profile. And so you can now see, here is my company that I created. I don't currently have any jobs or trainings posted. But in order to post a new job, I now have this button available, or to post a new training. These jobs and trainings are available because I have a particular level of company profile that allows me to do both. And that's the basics of creating a new company profile. Once you have your company profile, then in the future to access it, you'll just come and log in and click on company profile. We'll come back to here. You'll see your company, and from here you can go ahead and post jobs and trainings. There are separate videos on how to post jobs and trainings, and you can take a look at that on our website. Let's take a quick look at our new company profile. So click on the company name. We can see social sharing buttons at the top. Here's our company name, our logo, the regions that we entered, the type of company, our address, the company description, and this is the full description, website with just the title that we entered, email addresses, categories that are again clickable and searchable, populations that we work with, activities that we do, our field of study that we entered. Here's our YouTube video, which we can go ahead and play right here, and the image that we uploaded about our company, and I can upload multiple images. If I had jobs posted, I would see these jobs underneath my company profile. Same for training, so I don't currently have anything posted, so we're not seeing anything in there. So again, here's our completed company profile.